Inyo Abihaya.
Thank you from Kivukoni. It's so beautiful to see you all, and we're so excited to open the doors of this beautiful school. The one thing I'd love to say to you today is just to hold in your hearts why we've set up this festival.
Nice to see you. That's why I'm here.
It's for nature and it's for our community. Should we do a big round of applause for nature today? We love you.
Anobola, bonobola, vanetinya leta. Anobola, bonobola, benetinya leta. Anobola, bonobola, vanetinya leta.
Progress coming along really well. Excited for the day ahead of us. Happy to be here.
Lovely stuff.
Hi guys, my name is Emily Agres. Today I am at the Kivukoni Eco Festival in Kivukoni School in Kilifi, and this festival is all about the love of nature and the community.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to remind you that this is the Kivukoni Eco Festival, the first edition. And if you're here, you probably know that we are here because of you. We are here because you all have made it a collective effort to make Kivukoni Eco Festival a success. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready?
Thank you all for joining us for this panel. We're going to start sort of in Kenya and find out what women are really doing here.
What can we do to help food security in Kilifi? What does this international curriculum, what's that also doing to the indigenous knowledge?
Thank you all for coming to this panel on saving our seas.
We can only manage what we know, learn more about what's going around you. A festival like this is a wonderful way to get engaged.
All these other animals look at the tiny bird and they're asking the bird, what can you do? You're too little. But this bird looks at the other animals and the bird says, I am doing the best that I can.
Tondo bale tansia, ton son de la. Tondo bale tansia, son de la. Tondo bale tansia, son de la.
Stories can have a huge capacity to drive empathy. They give that connection. They give connection and they give context.
Malin satinho kumbele siapum. Malin satinho kumbe. Malin satinho kumbele siapum. Le siapum bele.
This festival itself is one way to show there's active hope, because all of you are here for one reason, and I think there's still hope in that.
Indina lo sindet e tondo bale dansia ton son de la. Tondo bale dansia ton son de la. Tondo bale dansia ton son de la. Oh non la, oh ni le, nada lo vino, miro bile, palai, filoi, folo, fofo, palana, bono, naine, bomba, so, bomba, bimba, so,
Amazing song.
Male satino